The question may arise for many offshore oil rig employees, why are the offshore oil rig full of fish? The main reason is the changes that these structures create underwater, like changes as well as the entry of some nutrients into the water cause changes in the coral parts. Coral are like a nursery for fish. Therefore, their animal diversity is more than other places, and as a result, due to the high food production, many fishes come there, and therefore fishermen usually get good catches. Usually, we see many fishermen in different parts of the platform waiting for hours to catch fish. During this time, they rest, eat, and even sleep. Now we see the dolphins that have come near the platform. It is very exciting and enjoyable to see them up close.